All right, we'll see if we can get the pick up where we left off before. Take the tie rod end off. Okay, that's an aircraft nut, so it's hard getting the whole thing off completely. Hold on to that. If we're lucky, this will pop out. If we're not lucky, I'll have to put a press on it. Oh, look at that. That's great. Now we can just hold it in place there a little bit. Let's crank loose the adjustment to get this device break free. We got it there, and there's no play in this inner tie rod. This is the inner tie rod inside there. This is the outer tie rod, and it seems a little bit loose. Let's pull it off of here. And I don't see any clunking. I said it's pretty bad, but we're going to put new tie rod ends on. Now what we're going to have to do is figure out a way to hold on to that. And we're going to have to take this strut part off. And looks like we're going to need 20 plus millimeter. Okay, it looks like a 21 millimeter. Watch that brake caliper. We don't want to damage the caliper there. And we'll use our standard impact wrench. Try to take this strut off. Take care of that. You can see that the strut was replaced just not long ago, so some of these bolts are easy to get out. Okay, let's see if we can wiggle these out. This might need a little bit more persuading. There we go, we got it out. And now we have to try to push out the axle. It'll help. Have to go one way or the other. It's best to tie wrap these up, but maybe I'll do that in a little bit. Maybe I'll do it right now.